Hi, I'm Tim from the ROG Motherboard team, and here I am at London present to you the ROG Z170 Motherboard series. In this series, we have 4 motherboards in the lineup: Extreme, Hero, Ranger, and Gym. So let's take a closer look at the motherboards. Here you can see we have the Maximus VIII Extreme motherboards in front of you. As you can see, the difference between this generation and the past is that we are removing a lot of the red colors from the motherboards. In the past, we have PCIe by 16 slots, memory DIMM, and also the SATA ports in red. But in this generation, we asked our designers to try something new, so we have more of the black and gray color designs. And also because we think a lot of the case models, and they are not sometimes they are not ready for doing the red and black colors. So we with black and gray, we are giving them more choices to fine-tune the colors that they want. And let's take a closer look at the specifications of the Maximus VIII Extreme motherboards. On the top left-hand corner, as you can see, we have the new power design, and that is because in this generation, Intel has a new power design. So we have 4 major new power designs in here. We have a dual PWM controllers on this motherboards, one for the V-Core and one for the VGT. The second is we have the 10K black metallic capacitors that has higher temperature endurance and longer lifespan. And also we are using the microfine alloy choke that was first used in the X99 platform, the Rampage 5 Extreme. We are migrating this great choke into our mainstream chipsets. And the fourth component in the power design is the new MOSFET. We are using the Optimos MOSFET from Infineon. This new MOSFET has 2 characteristics. One is that it has really low RDS, the resistance between drain and source, and it has high drain. The current that goes through the drain at maximum at 50 amp. And going down, on the Extreme motherboard, we have 4 USB 3.1 ports, 3 Type A and 1 Type C, and 2 of the ports are from the Intel controllers. And the Type C port, because it's from Intel controller, it also supports the Thunderbolt 3.0. And if you have a active cable for the Thunderbolt 3.0 with a compatible device, you can run the device up to 40 gigabit per second. And going down, on the left-hand side, we have a Spring FX 2015. In this generation, we optimized the audio path to the front panel. Now we are adding a DAC from ESS, the digital to analog converter, and also we are adding a driver IC from TI that will boost, amplify all the currents. So no matter what kind of headsets, whether it's a low impedance or high impedance, it will all running have very good audio quality. On the right hand side, over at the top, we have the OC zone. The OC zone is shared in all ROG Extreme motherboards. In last generation, in X99, on the Rampage 5 Extreme, we had introduced the retry and safe boot button that is very handy for the overclocking. We also migrate these 2 functions on the Maximus VIII Extreme. And going down to this, we can see that this motherboard supports all types of storage interface: SATA 6G, SATA Express, M.2 running at PCIe 3.0 by 4, and that is the maximum bandwidth of 32 gigabit per second. We are also, for the first time, on the Asus consumer motherboard, we are adding this U.2 connector on the motherboard. It was called the Mini SAS connector running at PCIe mode, or the SFF8639 connector in the past. But Intel has renamed it last month into the U.2. So we have this new connector on the motherboard. The Maximus VIII Extreme motherboard is purely designed for the overclockers and enthusiasts, and we have implemented all the ROG overclocking technologies on this motherboard. And this motherboard runs on the Intel Z170 chipset, and it will support the LGA 1151 CPU, and it also supports the DDR4 dual channels and 4 themes, up to 64 GB. The Maximus VIII Extreme motherboard will be available in August with the launch of the Z170 series. Yeah, so that's the Maximus VIII Extreme motherboard.